Many people want healthy, glowing skin that radiates natural beauty. They often buy expensive creams and lotions, hoping for a miracle. But did you know that nature offers amazing ingredients for your skin? These natural elements can be just as effective, if not more so. These ingredients are often right in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered. Using natural products is good for your skin and the planet. They are eco-friendly and sustainable. Many store-bought products have chemicals that can be harsh on your skin, causing irritation and long-term damage. Natural ingredients are gentle and effective, providing nourishment without the risk of harmful side effects. Making your own beauty products is easy and fun. It's a creative process that you can enjoy with friends and family. It's also a great way to know exactly what you're putting on your skin, ensuring purity and quality. You can create personalized products with ingredients that match your skin's unique needs, tailoring each recipe to your preferences. This essay will share simple recipes for homemade face beauty products using everyday vegetables and plants. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. Get ready to discover the power of natural beauty and transform your skincare routine. Vegetables and plants are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are incredibly beneficial for your skin. These natural ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional skincare routines across different cultures. They can cleanse, nourish, and revitalize your skin, giving it a healthy and radiant glow. Using vegetable-based skincare products can help you avoid the harmful effects of synthetic chemicals found in many commercial products. For example, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage. This can help prevent premature aging and keep your skin looking youthful. Cucumbers have cooling properties that can soothe irritated skin and reduce puffiness. They are also hydrating, which helps to keep your skin moisturized and fresh. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, making it great for treating sunburns and acne. Its natural gel can also help to reduce inflammation and promote skin regeneration. These are just a few examples of the many benefits that vegetables and plants offer for your skin. Incorporating a variety of these natural ingredients can provide a holistic approach to skincare. By incorporating them into your skincare routine, you can achieve naturally beautiful skin without the use of harsh chemicals. Embrace the power of nature and let your skin thrive with these wonderful, natural ingredients. Here are 2 simple yet effective recipes for face beauty products using common vegetables and plants that you can easily find in your kitchen. First up, we have the tomato and yogurt face mask for glowing skin. This mask is perfect for rejuvenating your skin and giving it a natural glow. Ingredients: 1 ripe tomato, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that are great for your skin. Instructions: cut the tomato in half and scoop out the seeds and pulp. Make sure to get as much pulp as possible for the best results. Blend the tomato pulp with the yogurt until smooth. The mixture should be creamy and easy to apply. Apply the mixture evenly to your face and neck. Use a brush for an even application. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Next, we have the cucumber and aloe vera eye mask for puffy eyes. This mask is soothing and helps reduce puffiness around the eyes. Ingredients: half a cucumber, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Both ingredients are known for their cooling and hydrating properties. Instructions: grate the cucumber and collect the juice. The juice is what will provide the cooling effect. Mix the cucumber juice with the aloe vera gel. Stir well to ensure they are fully combined. Soak 2 cotton pads in the mixture. Make sure they are fully saturated. Place the cotton pads over your closed eyes. This will help to relax and refresh your eyes. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove the pads. Gently pat the area around your eyes dry. These are just 2 examples of the many face beauty products you can create using simple ingredients. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your skin type. Your skin will thank you for the extra care and attention. Choosing homemade beauty products is not only beneficial for your skin, but also for the environment. By using natural ingredients, you are reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals that can end up in our water systems and harm the environment. Additionally, making your own products reduces waste. Instead of throwing away countless plastic containers, you can reuse and repurpose jars and containers for your homemade creations. By embracing natural beauty and making conscious choices about the products we use, we can contribute to a healthier planet and a more sustainable future. Let's all do our part in creating a more beautiful world, inside and out.